astronauts Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore embarked on what was supposed to be a standard 8-day mission to the International Space Station. They launched aboard the Boeing Starliner on June 5, 2024, their sights set on the orbiting laboratory. Little did they know, their journey would be far from ordinary. Instead of a brief stay, they ended up spending an unexpected 286 days in space. Williams, a highly experienced astronaut, had already spent significant time in space, including 9 spacewalks and a stint as ISS commander. Wilmore, a former U.S. Navy test pilot, also brought a wealth of experience from his 3 previous spaceflights. Their combined expertise would prove invaluable as they faced unforeseen circumstances. The Boeing Starliner, tasked with transporting the astronauts to and from the ISS, encountered a series of technical difficulties. These malfunctions were the primary reason for the astronauts' extended stay. Helium leaks within the spacecraft's propulsion system posed a significant risk. These leaks could potentially impact the Starliner's ability to maneuver and safely return to Earth. In addition to the helium leaks, the Starliner experienced problems with its thrusters. These issues further jeopardized the spacecraft's ability to perform controlled maneuvers during a potential return to Earth. The combination of these technical malfunctions necessitated a thorough investigation and repairs, delaying Williams and Wilmore's return home. Despite the unexpected turn of events, Williams and Wilmore remained calm and focused. They understood that space travel inherently carries risks and that contingencies are always a possibility. Their training had prepared them to handle unforeseen circumstances. They continued carrying out their duties on the ISS. They conducted experiments, maintained the station, and even found time for moments of levity. They never felt abandoned or forgotten. They knew that teams on Earth were working tirelessly to bring them home safely. Their positive attitudes and resilience were an inspiration to all. After careful consideration and analysis, NASA made the decision to bring Williams and Wilmore back to Earth aboard the SpaceX Dragon Capsule. This decision was made with the astronauts' safety as the top priority. The Dragon Capsule offered a reliable and proven mode of transport. On March 18, 2025, after 286 days in space, Williams and Wilmore safely returned to Earth aboard the Dragon Capsule. Their extended mission, although unplanned, is a testament to human adaptability and the unwavering commitment to space exploration. Their experience serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, courage, and ingenuity can overcome any obstacle.